The tubular bind-off creates a neat edge for 1x1 ribbon. We'll need to do a couple of setup rows, and then we'll need an extra needle that's either the same size or slightly smaller than the main needle you're using. For our first setup row, we'll need to do knit 1 and then slip 1 with yarn in front to bring the yarn to the back, knit 1, bring the yarn over to the front and slip 1, bring the yarn to the back, knit 1, bring it over to the front and slip your stitch petalwise. Now keep doing that to the end of the row. Next, for our second setup row, we're going to slip 1 with the yarn in the back, bring the yarn to the front and purl 1. So again, slip 1, the yarn in back, the yarn over, and do a purl. Keep doing that to the end of our row, so slip 1, bring the yarn forward, purl 1. Turn the yarn to the back, slip 1, bring the yarn to the front, purl 1, then the yarn to the back. Next we need to split all our stitches between our working needle and our spare needle. We need to purl all of our stitches and put the knit stitches onto the working needle and the purl stitches onto the spare needle. So I'm going to hold both of these needles together with the spare needle behind. I'm going to just bring the stitches up a bit. Now the first stitch is a knit stitch, so we're going to bring that onto the working needle, and the second knit stitch is a purl stitch, so we're going to bring that onto the spare needle, then a knit stitch onto the working needle, a purl stitch onto the spare needle. So we've got a couple of stitches moved onto each one. We keep moving like that, so a knit stitch goes onto the working needle, purl stitch goes onto the spare needle. Do that until you've got to the very end of the row. I've now got all of my stitches split between the two needles, so I'm ready to use Kitchener stitch to finish binding off.